Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Alexandra Buchanan Architecture reimagines Couldrey as a serene, elevated family home in Bardon, blending minimal interiors with nature, climate, and Japanese-Scandinavian influences. Stepping through the front gate, the entry sequence unfolds with quiet intent. A raised veranda leads into the main living space, gradually revealing glimpses of the surrounding bushland and distant watercourse. The clients, a family of 4 relocating from a compact apartment, sought a home grounded in its subtropical setting, open yet private, pared back but never stark, drawing on the light, functional qualities of Scandinavian design and the warmth and restraint of Japanese aesthetics. The interiors reflect a shared affinity for simplicity, comfort, and natural materials.